Today we are going to discuss some remaining question of to verify the associative law. Verify the associative law for the composite function of following three functions What are the functions? Now we are three functions are f n to z0, f n to z0, fx equal to x, g z0 to q, gx equal 1 upon x, hq to r, hx equal ex, now solution is there. Now we are going to solve this question. If f n to z0, fx equal to x, g z0 to q, and g of x equal 1 upon x, hq to r, h of x equal e की power x, then it is n to r, hog of n to r, and hog of it is n to r. Both are same. Both are same means we can say that domain and codomain means domain and codomain both are same of hog fx and go fx and hog fx. So we can say that it is defined. We can say that it is defined. Now for associative we have to prove hog go means it is first is hog o x, second is go x. Means when we are saying about the associative law, then we can say that we have to use first two functions hog and last one is go. Okay, so it is very easy. Now it is hog and it is GOH of x. We can write here, and it is ho, and it is go GOH of x. Okay, so what is the h of x? H of x equal the h of x equal e की power x. So we can write here hog e की power x. H of x equal e की power x. So we can write here, and what is the value of it here? Go g h of x. So g h of x equal h of x. What is the value of h of x? E to the power x. It is e to the power x. Now what is the value of hog x? Means h g of e की power x. And what is the value of g of e की power x? G of e की power x means it is 1 upon x. So if we write here e की power 1 upon x, so it is 1 upon e की power x. So we can say 1 upon e की power x. And what is the value at here? Here is also same. If it is h and go e की power x means 1 upon e की power x. So now it is closed. H of e की power x means it is h 1 upon e की power x. So what is the value of 8? If we put here 8 here, so we can say that it is e की power the value of h of x is e की power x. So it is e की power x. What is the value of f of x? Okay, some misprinting is there. Hog fx. It is hog fx. Okay, so at here we have to again write here f of x, and here is also f of x. So mind changing it here. It is hog. The value of f of x is 2x. So we can write here 2x, and it is g of f of x is 2x. So now it is g of 2x, and it is g of 2x means g of 2x means 1 upon 2x. So it is 1 upon 2x, and it is g of 2x means it is also 1 upon 2x. So what is the value h of x? Means e की power x means it is e की power 1 upon 2x, and it is also e की power 1 upon 2x, because when we are putting here e की power 2x, so it is 1 upon e की power 2x, so it is also 1 upon e की power 2x. So students, it is the value of LHS equal RHS. It is LHS equal RHS. So we can say that given function is follow the associate. If R to R, if R to R, there is a plus R plus to R plus, and f of x equal x square, and g R to R plus, and g R plus to R plus defined as f of x equal x square, and g of x equal root x. Then find Goff and Fogg. Then find fog and Goff. Also prove that it is equivalent or not. So it is equivalent or not. Now if question is there, if r plus 2r plus and gr plus 2r plus defined as fx equal x square gx equal root over x, then find the fog and Goff, also prove that it is equivalent or not. So students, it is a question. Now we are going to solve this question. So we have to find fog x. Fog x means f and in bracket g of x is there. So if the bracket of g of x equal g of x equal root over x, and f of x means f of x, put it here root x, so we can say root x square. So we can say that it is a root x square means x. Okay. Now next one is Goff x. If we are going to find Goff x, means we can write here g f of x, means g, the value of f of x is x square, it is x square, and put g x square. So if we put x square at here, then we can say that it is root x square is also, and it is x. What is the answer? It is a fog x and it is Goff x, means fog x equal Goff x equal x. It means both are equivalent. So we can say that both are equivalent to each other. So both are equivalent. Okay. Now question number 14. Question number 14 is, if r to r fx equal cos x plus 2 justify whether f is inverse, inverse function or not. So question is given that if r to r fx equal cos x plus 2 justify whether f is inverse function or not. So students, we are going to discuss this question, that given function is inverse or not. So one more questions in examples is looks like this question. I hope and I have completed this question, this type of questions also, I think. But this is in miscellaneous, so we are going to solve again it is. So it's not a problem to solve this question. Okay, so if we are saying that it is f to r, so f of x equal cos x plus 2 is there, and just we have to justify whether f is inverse or not. So you know very well, if you are going to find the inverse of any function, then we have to prove 1 1 on 2. So firstly we are going to prove that it is 1 1 or not. If it is 1 1, then we can prove on 2 and further we proceed. But if it is not 1 1, then we can drop this question, because if it is not 1 1, then we can say that it is not 1 1 on 2 also, and inverse function is not exist. Okay, so we are going to check first that it is 1 1 or not. So 1 1. So what is the 1 1? Let 0 plus 2 equal 2 pi plus 2. Is it equal? Not. Okay, because there is a 2, but it is 2 pi and it is a 0, so it is not equal. So we are taking like this, means x1 is not equal to x2. Okay, if x1 is not equal to x2, then we have to see f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, so we can say that it is 1 1. So we can say that it is 1 1. Now we are going to check that it looks like this or not. Okay, so taking cos, it is cos 0 plus 2 equal cos 2 pi plus 2. So it is cos 0 plus 2 means it is cos 2, and cos 2 pi plus 2 it is also cos 2. What happened there? Means cos 2 equal cos 2 means f 0 plus 2 equal f 2 pi plus 2 is equal. We are saying that these are not equal but these are equal. It means given function is not 1 1 and so it is also not 1 1 on 2. So it is also not 1 1 on 2. So inverse function is not exists. Okay students, so we can say that inverse is not exist because it is not 1 1, so it is not 1 1, so we can say that it is also not 1 1 on 2. If it is not 1 1 on 2, so we can say that inverse function is not exist. Okay, equal minus 1 to 1, and f and g are two functions, and f and g are two functions defined is fx equal x square and gx equal sin pi x by 2. Prove that G inverse is exist but F inverse does not exist. We have to prove that G inverse is exist but F inverse does not exist. Also find G inverse. So students, this is a question. I mind repeat this question. If a equal minus 1 to 1 and f and g are two functions defined as f of x equal x square and g of x equal sin pi x by 2, we have to prove that G inverse is exist, but we are saying that f inverse does not exist. According to question, we have to find G inverse also. So this is question, students. Now we are going to solve this question because question is very interesting. Okay, solution is there. Solution. Okay, so a equal is given that it is minus 1 to 1. Now first we are going to discuss about the f inverse because it is a f inverse does not exist. Already in questions given, it is given that f inverse does not exist, so we are going to solve this question. So a equal minus 1 to 1 is there, a inverse equal minus 1 to 1, and f of x equal x square, f of x equal x square is there. So take minus 1 is 1 1, we are going to prove that it is 1 1 or not. So if minus 1 is not equal to 1, you know very well that minus 1 is not equal to 1. You know now? Okay, so minus 1 to the power 1 is equal to 1, but we can say that it is minus 1 and it is f of 1. We are saying that x1 is not equal to x2, but we are looking at here that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It looks like this. So we can say, so it is not 1 1. So it is not 1 1 and it is also not, so it is also not 1 1 on 2. So inverse function does not exist. Inverse function does not exist. So now we have proved that f inverse does not exist. Okay, now we are going to solve other question, that is g of a equal -1 to 1 and g of x equal sin pi x by 2. Sin a equal -1 to 1 and g of x equal pi x by 2. So this is the question. Now we are going to check this question that it is 1 1 or not. So first we are going to prove that it is 1 1 or not. Number 1 is 1 1. If we are going to prove the 1 1, so we can say that let x1 x2 belongs to a, let x1 x2 belongs to a. So we can say that g of x1 equal g of x2. G of x1 equal g of x2. So g of x1 means sin pi x1 by 2 equal sin pi x2 by 2. So it is x1 equal x2. It is x1 equal x2 because pi x1 by 2 equal pi x2 by 2. So 2 is cancelled by 2, pi is cancelled by pi, so x1 equal x2. Now if you written here g of x like this, g of x1 equal g of x2, and after it we have proved that x1 is equal to x2, we can say that it is 1 1. So it is 1 1. So it is 1 1. If it is 1 1, now we are going to prove on 2. Now on 2, let g of x equal y. So x equal, let g of x equal sin pi x by 2 and it is y. Let g of x equal sin pi x by 2 and it is y. So pi x by 2 equal sin inverse y and x equal 2 upon pi, it is sin inverse y. So we can say that if there is a 1, so we can get the particular value 1. If there is a -1, we can find the particular value of x. So for every element of y, there is unique element of x. So we can say that it is 1 1. So we can say that it is on 2. So it is 1 1 on 2. So it is 1 1 on 2. So inverse function is exists. So inverse function exists. So let it is equation number 1. Now again let f of x equal y, so x equal f inverse y. F of x equal y, then x equal f inverse y. This is equation number 2. By first and second, we can say that f inverse y equal 2 upon pi sin inverse y. So if there is a y, so there is the y. If we are having here x, so we can say that there is x. So f inverse x equal 2 upon pi sin inverse x. So student, this is the inverse of it is g. Okay, so it is right here g, it is g inverse. So if g of x equal y, so x equal g inverse y. So by first and second we can say that g inverse y equal 2 upon pi sin inverse y, and g inverse x equal 2 upon pi sin inverse x. If r to r and g r to r and g r to r such that f of x equal 3x plus 4, f of x equal 3x plus 4, and gx equal and gx equal 3 minus x by 4, gx equal x minus 4 by 3, x minus 4 by 3, it is x minus 4 by 3, gx equal x minus 4 by 3. Then find fog x and gof x. Also find value of gog1. Okay, this is a question. Now question is if r to r defined and g r to r such that fx equal 3x plus 4 and gx equal x minus 4 by 3, then find fog x and gof x, and also find value of gog1. So if there is a r to r and g r to r, we are going to solve this question. If r to r defined and g r to r also defined, and fx equal given there that this is a 3x plus 4, and g of x is also given that this is x minus 4 by 3, it is a question. Okay, so now we are going to find fog x. Number 1 is fog x, and if we are having fog x, so we know very well that how can we find the value. If there is a g of x and this is f, the value of g of x equal x minus 4 by 3. So what is the value of f of x? F of x means 3x minus 4. If it is 8 here, it is x, so it is x. If 8 here, x minus 4 by 3, so we can say that there is also x minus 3. So we can say that it is x minus 4 by 3 plus 4. So 3 is cancelled by 3, 4 is cancelled by 4, so it is x. Now gof x, we have to find gof x. Gof x means this is g, and f of x means g, the value of f of x means 3x plus 4, and the value of g of x, if it is x, so it is here is a x. If there is a beta, then there is beta. If there is alpha, so we can say that there is alpha. If there is a 3x plus 4, we can say that there is also 3x plus 4. So this is a 3x plus 4 minus 4 by 3. So 4 is cancelled by 4, 3 is cancelled by 3, so it is x. Okay, so if it is x, so we can say that fog x and gof x equal x, and both are identical, means both are same. So both are equivalent functions. So both are equivalent functions. So both are both are equivalent functions, but in question there is not given that we have to prove that given functions are equivalent or not. So it's not a matter, but both are x, so we can say that it is an equivalent function. Now we have to find go of x. Go of x means we have to find go of x. Go of x equal, sorry, go of x. So it is go of x, so we can say that it is g of x. Means g, the value of g of x equal, the value of g of x equal x minus 4 by 3. So it is x minus 4 by 3. Look at here, be carefully. Be careful when we are saying about the here. If it is here x, so it is x. If it is y, then we can say that it is y. If there is the x minus 4 by 3, so at here we have to write x minus 4 by 3. So it is x minus 4 by 3 minus 4 by 3. So we can say that it is x minus 4 minus 12 by 9. So we can say that x minus 16 by 9. So it is the value of GOG x. This is the value of GOG x. What is the GOG 1? If we have to find the value of GOG 1, so GOG 1 equal 1 minus 16 by 9 means minus 15 by 9 means minus 5 by 3. So students, this is the answer of GOG 1. So students, it is a GOG 1 and it is cleared. We have cleared today the questions of miscellaneous exercise, and we have completed this chapter, relation and function. So we meet in next videos. Till that, be safe, make the social distancing with each other. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.